It's Kirei here for Hey Little Magpie with a brand new layout using the Simple Stories Golf Collection Pack. And this is the third layout I've made using this. It's one of their simple set collection packs. So it contains 3 pattern papers and you get 2 of each and a 12 by 12 stickers sheet. So, and obviously by the name golf, it's absolutely perfect for those golf mad people in your life. So I have got 2 photos here. They're very slightly similar, but they're not quite. They look like they're the same. They're not quite. Of my dad and my husband when they. This is in Australia actually. So when we were there last October, November, and Lee and my dad managed to get in a little game of golf while we were staying at mum and dad's, which was really, really nice. So I have pulled out a few pattern papers here. I'm just using a strip here with all the words on it in that sort of grey, sort of blue colour. And then I've got my 2 photos I've mounted on it's the one with the like golf green all over it. I started off going to go mount it on the red spot, you'd have noticed, but then I decided actually the green was much better. So I flipped that over. And then I've just got this sort of diamond patterned paper here, and I'm just working out which colours. I'm going to use a strip. I started working on a strip top and bottom, but I do end up only using a strip at the top, and I couldn't quite decide. So I'm playing around here. I've left it in place while I just sort of have a play with the embellishment. So I've got the stickers from the sticker sheet, and what I've done with the stickers, I have stuck them at the back. So I've got a little powder brush. I've just taken away the sticky bit. It just allows me to move stickers around, but also I like to sort of curve edges and, add foam pads and things like that. So they're just easier for me to work with. So, yeah, so I'm placing everything here. And this is really what I tend to do is just get everything sort of in position, make sure I'm sort of happy with things. And then I can get my background papers and my photos stuck down. And then I can start to work with the embellishments, and then I can add more to it as I go. But I just want to get that base sort of worked out, so I know I've got room for my title and that sort of thing. Okay, so as you can see, I picked out the diamond shape in that very soft sort of eggshell blue and just added that along the top. I've distressed the edges of all the pattern papers, and because it is something I always do, so you will see that on all my layouts. It's very rare I would use a sort of flat paper. Then I'm fiddling around here with these 2 photos. I just want to make sure I've got enough space on the right to add my cluster in. I've got that sort of large golf bag with clubs sticker there that I just need to make sure I've got the space there to pop that, because I don't want it to come right over to the edge. So yeah, I think I'm just pushing my photos over a little more. With my photos, I've just added foam pads to the top, and then I keep them flat at the bottom. Again, it tends to be what I do, mainly because, generally with embellishments, I'm adding them around, the bottom of the photos, and over the top edges, and at the top of my photos, I'm often tucking things in. So yeah, that is what I tend to do. Okay, so now here I am going to add some layers. So I'm not going to have everything completely flat. And even when it is stuck down flat, it's not completely flat because I have sort of curved the edges and, that sort of thing. So yes, I'm adding foam pads to some of these stickers here. So the Keep Calm and Play On is raised on foam pads. The For speech bubble is raised on foam pads as well. Lots of fiddling around here, just trying to work out where those 2 are going to go. I don't like the eat, golf, sleep, repeat ending up on the same line as the background paper, the navy grey paper, if you know what I mean. So yes, I'm just sort of playing with it there. Okay, then I've brought in some of the mini embroidered flowers. These are Hey Little Magpies embellishments, and with a collection like this, you only have the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, but that's absolutely fine, because all you need to do is have a look for embellishments in your stash that coordinate with the collection. So here I've pulled in some of the Hey Little Magpie own brand embellishments. So I've got the embroidered flowers. I do have the glitter enamel dots that I will use later. And I have got the March embellishment kit because that was very much had lots of quite of greens and yellows in it. And I'm just playing around with things that I'm going to use. So yeah, so don't be worried that there is only one sticker sheet. You just need to coordinate other embellishments, whether it's enamel dots, fabric elements, wooden pieces like I've used on my previous layouts. I used the wooden chevrons that are the JD 3D print from Hey Little Magpie. So yeah, okay, so continuing to get the embellishment stuck down here. I've obviously got different things scattered around. I don't use everything in the end, but I do just like to sort of place them around and think, is it going to work for me? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, still there. Oh, yeah, foam pads on the back of that one, as I'd mentioned. Okay, so I think things are stuck down. I'm just going to finish the sticking down of the little flowers here. So I've got the light green, the red, and that grey, which grey blue tone, which match perfectly with the pattern paper. I've got the smiley face embroidered tab. This is in the March embellishment kit, and I'm just tucking that in under my photo at the top. That was the only thing I ended up actually using from the embellishment kit in the end. But yeah, there's still plenty of bits and pieces left. So and then the glitter enamel dots. So yeah, just bringing those ones in, and and they're all green shades, which was perfect, and a little bit of like a tealy blue, very soft blue. But yeah, worked perfectly with the collection. And then I'm almost done. I'm going to add an alpha. I've got the Luna, the Bella Boulevard Luna Puffy Alpha in guacamole, and this is available in the shop as well. And the green is perfect with this collection. So I'm just going to have tea for two. Yeah, slight pun on obviously the tea. And then I will add bling to the bottom of the layout underneath the photos. And then, yeah, and then it's done. So, yeah, really happy with how this turned out. And it was great just getting allowing me to get some of those golf photos, and I've got plenty of them, of my husband and my dad actually scrapped. Here we go. Here is the final layout, and you'll see some of the close-ups coming in just a moment, where you can see some of the extra details from the collection. So yeah, Simple Stories golf collection. Check it out. It's available in the Hey Little Magpie shop now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.